Hey, how are we all doing today? So today I'm going to record this very small video for the people who just started Forex or the industry, like in this investment industry. So if you want to know more about it, look, this is completely for the beginners, So I hope you will enjoy this video, and don't forget to watch this video till the end, because there are some golden nuggets, very important information that you'll know from this video. Okay, so subscribe to this channel if you want to have more of this information, and believe me or not, it has changed my life. Okay, when I started learning this industry, learning how to invest my own money and how to actually multiply own money, my life has been changed. So as I say, you can see there's some background noises going on, so please don't ignore those noises. If this video I have recorded only for our internal group, so there will be some professional videos coming up very soon. So here we go. As you can see my screen here, I would like to, don't want to waste my time like explaining about myself. My name is Sabby, people call me Sabby. I actually have been in Australia for 16 more years, and then I have been working in the hospitality industry more than 12 years. I was a qualified chef, had my own business, and I did a lot of different types of jobs. And what I realized was hard work is not the way that we can multiply our own money, because people who will be working hard until they die, but they have nothing to show, right? That's why with my 3 children, I have decided I should still continue my profession, but in a different industry, right? That's why I changed my career as a trainer and assessor. I was a trainer assessor. Now I have promoted as a academic manager, which is definitely fantastic. 2021 was really my year. And on the top of that, I saw this in a platform where I saw that how you can leverage your time working with different type of people, and you can grow your account. So now, look, when I started this online business, I didn't know that there was another way of making money, right? So which is compounding your own money. So here we go. What I want to do is, you see, I mean, I just quickly want to show that this is me. You can see my children are here. These are my 3 children. Okay, my daughter, big daughter, she's going to be a doctor. So this is my story. So you can see I have done a lot of presentation, more to come. So there is no much picture. So this information is completely about the Forex, people who are really beginner. Okay, so here we go. What you are going to learn from this particular video is that what is financial market, what is the history actually, and what kind of terms you will be able to learn in this platform. And then very small, important topic is that risk management. If you don't know how to manage risks, I mean, look, there are 90% of people who are losing money. I will be very honest. Okay, 90% of people who are losing money, they think that this is scam, this is gambling, this is it doesn't work for them. Why? Because they have not learned till the death. Okay, and it's not for everyone as well. Everyone, look, if everyone start to learn Forex and they start to make money, then who is going to drive the car? Who is going to actually become a taxi driver? Who is going to become a kitchen, and who is going to become a chef? Isn't it? So that's why we have a different passion. And so my passion right now is to help you how to compound your own money and also grow your account. So here you can see, I'll quickly skip this. I don't want to use my lot of time in this very small topic, which is, so there are different types of financial market. You can see there are physical, virtual, and actually are both these days, right? So what actually happen is, according to the supply and demand, so we over time, so what we do is this money, they exchange, like we exchange the money around the world. Okay, you can see still is kind in the way of stock market, commodity, I mean, if bonus as well. There are these, I'll be talking mostly about the Forex. Okay, so Forex is actually, obviously it's a global way of exchange money. You are actually exchanging your money actually to buy something, right? So if you go to the cafe, you buy a coffee, you give something. This like we're exchanging some energy out. So money is energy. That's what I believe. And we are exchanging this energy from one currency to another currency. That's how people are still making money. So our most important industry about this in the world is, you can see what are this early income. let's actually, this is a history, I would say, it's part of the some insights that how people are making money. You know, like you can say NFL, like 10.6 billions of dollars. That's the income they produce. And the games and TVs and Free Fire, you know, there's iTunes. There are certain amount of money they make this money, and the most, I mean, yearly income in I would say, which industry making most money? You won't be believing. This Forex is the industry that people are making a lot of money, and at the same time they're losing money as well. Why? Because there are more people who are losing money. That's why the people who are winning, they're winning big. So it's up to you which part you want to be. Do you want to be part of the people, a group who are losing money, or do you want to be part of the people who are winning money? Okay, so here this picture shows that alcohol income is like 227, like 227 billions of dollar every year. So there are some baggages, ladies, you know, I said, so all these big brands, you can say 500 billions dollar. 1.57 trillion is actually the industry of these armies, you can see. Why? Because still that industry is, people are investing, and the government is investing a lot of money in there. That's why there is income as well. So there is a drugs, you can see 437. So this is just an insight that you may not know this, may not need to know this information, but it's still good to know. So how much money does it actually move in this financial market, guys? Okay, you probably have already known. I will be, you know, this slide was a little bit earlier. I should be actually, you know, changing. Like now it's going towards $7 trillion, 7 trillion, not dollar, trillions of obviously US dollar every single year, right? Okay. Okay, and what happened? I don't know what happened. I'll just quickly pause. Yeah, you can see, I mean, it's almost $7 trillion of money exchange every single day. And I think something happened here. I'm sorry about any distraction. So here we go. So what happens exactly in here? So you can say Bitcoin is another way of that money you can still exchange these days, which is popular, but I will be completely focusing on Forex. So you can see what is history of Forex actually? Was it? So beginning, you know, when it was just the beginning, there was in this time, you know, very early time, there was coin between towns, like gold coin, silver coin, bronze coin. These coins were used as exchange of money. They used actually these coins to actually pay. They used to salt was used to pay the soldiers as well, you know, in ancient time in Rome, and eventually they used to have this salt as a, I mean, salary as well. Yeah. So, and what happened after the coin? Money paper came. You can see it's actually from China. It started from China. In 1875, the coin started to be backed by gold. So which is gold. Gold is another popular, you know, exchange, which is very popular. Back in 1944, what happened? The Bretton Woods as a money, you know, it's still money, but the wood has come, and it is also another way of exchange that people used to do. So when in 1971, the Forex was banned, you know why it was banned? It was when there was a world war ended, you know, after the Vietnam, like the Second World War was over, and during Vietnam's war, during Vietnam, basically, okay, what happened was there was a little bit of freedom. When there was a freedom, and then what happened was people started to exchange their supply and demand, means depending upon the money they require to run these countries, to sell and buy the product, they still had to exchange this money. Then it started. And because of the technology right now, 90s, what happened was, you can see money now can be exchanged virtually. You don't need to have that physical money. Many years ago, still, I would say, you still needed to have a lot of big amount of money to be participated in this industry. But now you can start as little as $100, $200, even 25, doesn't really matter how much money, depending upon your broker, right? So I'll be going in depth about that as well. So let's talk about the Forex. You know, it can be like, Forex can be like, you can say foreign exchange, Forex, currency exchange market, FX, whatever you call it. What happened in here? It's currency. One currency is exchanged into another currency. It's like interbanking market. It's a interbanking market. who are participating here? It is all done electronically with the help of broker services. Okay, and the currencies are here. So are the currencies from country all over, I mean, these are the currencies all over the world. It can be, you can see, I mean, their currency, US dollar, euro, see, I mean, why not, right? So these are Great British pound and Swiss francs. So we have Japanese yen, we have Chinese, I mean, why not Chinese currency as well? I mean, we have so many currencies. This is how they look like in your Metatrader 4. And there are some currencies which are major and minor. And there are some exotics as well, which are like they mixed, okay? Hong Kong USD, Hong Kong dollar, and so on and so forth. So Forex calendar. So Forex is actually operated, Forex market. The calendar is 24 hours, 5 days a week. Weekend is off completely. And market participant, you can see who are actually participating in this market. I mean, who actually trade? I would tell you who actually trade here. Government itself, central banks, private banks as well. The money you put in the bank, they're still using your money. My money is used by the bank to trade. That's why they are multiplying their own money. And big companies as well, they also do hedge funds and, you know, I mean, we are a little private trader, like we say we are retail trader. Okay, the brokers also take part in here. And how do we win on tradings? How do we win? It has to either buy or sell. We have to either buy or sell to win the market. So orders on market, how do we actually put a place in order? So why there is buy, compra, sell, venta, because I was doing this session at least, you know, different languages, why not? So okay, so here, sorry, I just went backward. So why buy means, look, you think that market is going to go to the high, right? Then you think that you're supposed to be placing an order as a buy. But when you think that market's going to go low, then you are going to sell. Okay, it's bullish and bearish. You can see bull, this is bull and this is bear. Okay, and here this is some picture that will make you a little bit understand. I will go in a real market as well, because today's Thursday in Australia, so I can actually go through the market to show you, and ignore those background noises, because I will be recording this session when there will be no one, when the kids are asleep, because one little one is watching his YouTube, kids YouTube. Okay, so brokers, so there are different types of brokers, and what these brokers do, actually they are intermediate financial institution that will help us to actually take part or participate in this market, right? And they act as an intermediate between buyers and sellers. And they also charge some kind of commission. It's called spread. I will talk about that in depth as well. And steps to open and I mean, there are something that you need to understand. So direct traders way, FX, FX choice, hot Forex, ONDA, and I would say the IC markets, multi-banks, of the Octa FX, Paperstone. I mean, these are all who? These are all brokers that will help you to set up your account, and you can deposit your money and then you can start trading. Okay, and so money making apps. Okay, so this is, I'm not going to talk about that, sorry, that was, I should be deleted. What are the basic terms that you should be knowing in Forex? So basic terms, I would say the PIP. What is PIP? PIP is actually percentage in points moving across the time according to supply and demand. So I mean, it will either, if you're buying, I'll go and show in the market as well. So euro dollar, okay. So if you see, this is how it's calculated. Okay, so this is how you can see the red button. So I can actually, you know, maybe I can show you. No, I can't type here. Okay. Okay, maybe just, oh no, I can't type it. No, that's okay. Maybe somehow I cannot do that. No problem. So you can see the rate. So this is how, suppose if you are buying this market, right? Also, there is another slide that is coming through. You will be buying, this PIP is calculated in different ways in different currencies. Okay, JPY is, like you can see at the end, there is, everything is after this 2 digital. Actually for USD and other currency pairs, it's like this last 2 digits. Okay, last 2 digits, I would say that is how you will be. If you're moving upward, then it will be added. You know, your TP will be added on 50. Say you are going after 10 pips of buying market, so say it should be 60 here. Okay, if you are actually selling your euro yen, euro, and dollar. Okay, euro and. So if you're selling, it should be 70. Okay, this is how it is how calculated, the PP is calculated, but I will show you how to calculate in a real in videos. We have another videos to show that as well. So cost, order, broker charge, and commission. So there is some like variation, I would say, that broker will also take some percentage out of your income. So that's how you see it. Suppose this is your ask and bid, you can see the what is split. Some people will ask, what is split? Split is actually the difference between ask and bid price. Okay, ask and bid. So what is bid and ask and bid? You can see there will be ask and bid means these two numbers will be blipping all the time. So the difference, more the commission will be taken by the broker. So it's a really good idea not to take trades when the ask and bids, they have a more difference in between. Okay, so yes, that's the split. And here this is something you can see, split 6. I mean, when the higher the split, more the commission will be taken by the broker. So the Metatrader looks like this. Basic orders, you can see entry price. This is how you'll be placing an order, either buy or sell. There will be stop loss as well. And I will definitely have another video for you to show that how to place an order using your Metatrader. I have a couple of videos already placed in my YouTube channel. You can go and have a look as well. So why do we actually place an order? Of course, to make some money, right? We are here to make some money. So you can see, take profit. So okay, I know there were some noises going on, so apologies for that. So you can see this is how we place an order, whether you want to take profit, buy or or sell, up to you, whatever. But this is how it looks like. You can see there is a buy stop, sell stop, and then there is some market execution. So you'll be entering the market at the same time when the current market is flowing. Okay, so lot size. So very, very important point as a risk management, because if you don't know what this lot size is all about, there are so many people, they have lost their money. They have actually blown their account. Okay, investment size should be very, very specific according to your amount. Okay, suppose you have $100,000. So it's like you are eligible to get one lot size, which is standard lot size, I would say. Meaning if you have a amount of say 1,000 to, I would say, 10,000. Okay, the why you can say 100,000 to 500,000, you can have one lot size. You can have 5.0 lot size as well. Why not? Okay, because you can bear that losses. 10,000 and up to 90,000, 99,000, up to you, like a 1.10. And here amount of 1,000, it can come as a from 100 to 1,000. Okay, it's 100 to 1,000. You can have a lot size of micro lot size, which is called 0.01. I hope it's understandable, but if you don't understand, I'll make please let me know if you need another video for this as well. Okay, so lot size, another micro, mini, and standard. So this information is completely about to understand that how to place an order using these lot sizes, because it depends upon how much money are you risking in the market and how much money you want to make out of the market as well, depending upon your lot size, because there is no necessity of having $900,000 in the broker account in the beginning to make millions of dollars. Okay, you don't need to have millions of dollars to make $1 million. You can start from small. This is why we are using this platform to compound our money, right? We can compound our money every single day. Also, I'll make another video for that, saying that how to compound your money, because the compounding is the most effective way of multiplying your money. You don't have to make a huge amount of money. If you consistently make some money every single day, over time that money will accumulate and you'll be surprised. Oh my God, did I do that? Did I do that? You will be surprised. Okay. And here, leverage, that's how it is. The secret behind the investment is like you're leveraging your money. I mean, you don't have to have a big amount of money to make big amount of money. That's what, like, your broker will give you some chances to leverage the money. Say if you have some, like, they're depending on your broker side, credit, you can have some credit from your broker to use their money in the market to make money. Okay, but you also have to be very careful that when you're over leveraging, you may blow your account. We have seen so many people doing that. And how do we win on Forex? We make some money, okay? Whether you buy, suppose you're buying euro dollar, okay, this is how, I mean, 90, and this is how you're buying, I mean, this is how you can see 1790 and 1827. This is how you can minus, you know, you can use a calculator. If you have a calculator, you can still calculate that. This is how the pips are calculated in this market, because we make money by earning pips in the market. Okay, we make money by earning pips in the market. And you can see, you can also see here, like suppose giving example, euro, you know, dollar yen, okay, dollar yen selling market. So here, suppose you're selling, you can see 1112 to 1112.20, and here we go, here is like 111.80, so 40 pips. Okay, so if you calculate it like this, 40 pips a day, so you are eventually making money, right? And again, these are the lot size pips, how much money you're making. Suppose if you have $100 to $1,000 and you have micro lot size 0.01, each pip is equal to, you're making 10 cents. Okay, each pip, same thing here, 0.09, each pip is equal to 90 cents. And here mini 1,000, 10,000, I would say, okay, $10,000, 20,000, 30, 40, 90, and this is how you make money. One pip is equal to, suppose it's the lot size, right? It's your mini lot size 0.10, so you make $1, 0.20, $2. This is how money is calculated. In standard, you can see 1,000, 5,000, and 1. It's like it's 1 million. I would say 99, you know, 99,100,000, whatever. So here. So 10 lot size is standard. Actually, one pip is equal to $100, 5 $50, 1 $10. This is how you calculate your pips, and we make money by earning pips. Okay, same thing here. If you have 35 pips in your mini lot size, you make, I mean, this is actually standard, no, it's a mini lot size. You can see this is how, this is micro, and this is you know, standard. Okay, standard, this is how you make money. Standard lot size, suppose this is how you're making. It's pip, it's calculated according to pips, and this is how you multiply. And why we have to still do financial analysis? It means that we still have to make sure that we are watching the news. You know, it actually makes a lot of difference in the market. We have a lot of other technical analysis. We have a lot of sentimental analysis, I mean, which is called sentimental analysis, and where fundamental is very, very important. So I will quick thoughts based about this fundamental analysis in this video, and let me know if you need more information, because I'm going to do a lot video about how to actually, you know, check this news and also take advantage of this news to make money from the market. So analysis that identify and sizing facts as economics, politics, social, affecting the supply and demand on the financial assets. So who are they? PMI, NFP, elections, politics piece, okay, natural disaster or some kind of, you know, tsunami, earthquake, event, coronavirus, you can take an example. Okay, these are the natural disasters. You don't, no one has control on those kind of disaster, right? It's like, it's still, the sickness is still a disaster, so it's kind of devastating everywhere. And other rates as well, like sometimes interest rate rises and falls, that will fluctuate the market, even though your technical analysis is 100% perfect. Okay, so yes, technical analysis, as I said, there are so many different kind of patterns. We can have a look. We can have a look the support and resistance, trend lines, Fibonacci's, harmonic pattern, RSI, you know, those stochastic Bollinger Bands, and other type of strategies that we can use to identify the movement of the market according to the time zone. Okay, so I will go in depth about this video in the next one. This is the chart. Okay, guys, this is the chart. There is different types of pair choices. You can choice up to you, and there are types. There are, you know, candles. So I will be talking more about these candlesticks in the future. And I would be very honest, guys. Only people who know how to multiply their own money will never be working for someone else, because they know that as long as they have this Wi-Fi connection, they have the mobile phone, and they can travel the world with this skill set. You can actually work with the people, without the people, up to you. It doesn't cost huge amount of money. You can make a lot of money. Okay, having said that, I will end this video for now, and I will see you in the next video. And please do subscribe, do like and share this video if you like it, and also tell me if you have any questions regarding Forex, anything. Okay, I am mastermind coach as well. Okay, coach, Forex trader, binary option trading trader, a mom of 3 children. Okay, so if I can do this, guys, you can do it too. Okay, having said that, I'll see you in the next video.